Welcome to Speakeasy English Podcast, where English becomes simple.
Hello and welcome back to Speakeasy English. Today's lesson is very special because we're going to focus on three small but extremely powerful words in English: be, being, and been. For many learners, these words are confusing. But once you understand how and when to use them, your English will sound much more natural and confident. Here's how today's lesson will work. First, I'll explain the meaning and the correct usage of be, being, and been. Then, we'll practice together using the shadowing technique. You'll repeat after me, step by step, training your mouth, rhythm, and pronunciation. Finally, we'll connect everything in mini dialogues so you can see how these words appear in real conversations. By the end of this lesson, you'll not only understand the grammar, you'll also be able to use it fluently in everyday English. So, grab your notebook, relax, and let's get started. The word be is the base form of the verb to be. We use be in several situations. Infinitive form after modal verbs can. Should, will, must. Example, she will be. Happy, imperative. Instructions telling someone how to act. Example, please. Be quiet. Future intentions or descriptions. Example, I want to be a doctor. Remember? Be is not conjugated. Stays in its base form, usually following another verb. Shadowing practice sentence 1, please. Be quiet, please. Be quiet, please. Be quiet. Sentence 2, I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. Sentence. 3, she will be happy tomorrow. She will be happy tomorrow. She will be happy tomorrow. Sentence 4, this place can be noisy sometimes. This place can be noisy. Sometimes. This place can be noisy sometimes. Sentence. 5. Be careful when you cross the street. Be careful when you cross the street. Be careful when you cross the street. Mini dialogue to practice. What do you want to be in the future? I want to be a doctor. That's great. You will be very successful. Thank you. I just need to be patient and keep studying. Great job. You've just practiced be in real contexts. Now, let's move on to the next block where we'll talk about being, how to use it, why it's important, and how to practice it with shadowing. The word being is the present participle, the ing form of the verb to be. We use being in three main ways: to describe behavior or temporary actions when someone is acting in a certain way. Example, you are being rude. It's not always, just right now. In continuous passive voice to show that something is happening now in a passive way. Example, the house is being cleaned as a noun, a being, to mean a living creature. Example, human beings need love and connection. Key idea, being often describes the state of acting or something happening right now. Shadowing practice sentence. 1. You are being silly. You are being silly. You are being silly. Sentence 2. Stop being so noisy. Stop being so noisy. Stop being so noisy. Sentence 3. The car is being washed now. The car is being washed now. The car is being washed. Now, sentence 4. The children are being very polite today. The children are being very polite today. Children are being very polite today. Sentence 5. She is being interviewed at the moment. She is being interviewed at the moment. She is being interviewed at the moment. Mini dialogue to practice. Why are you being so quiet today? I'm just being careful with my words. Oh, I see. Is the project being finished now? Yes, it's being reviewed by the manager. Excellent. You've learned how being shows temporary states, behavior, or ongoing passive actions. Now, let's continue to the last big part. BEEN, a word that often confuses learners but is actually simple with practice. The word been is the past participle of the verb to be. We mainly use been in two important situations. With the present perfect, have has plus been gives to talk about experiences or states up to now. Example, I have been to Paris. Experience example, she has been tired all week. State with the present perfect continuous have, has. Plus been plus ing verb gives. To talk about actions that started in the past and continue until now. Example, I have been studying English for 2 years. Example, they have been waiting for an hour. Key idea, been always needs another verb, have or has. It is not used alone. Shadowing practice sentence 1. I have been to London twice. I have been to London twice. I have been to London twice. Sentence 2. She has been very busy. Lately she has been very busy lately. She has been very busy lately. Sentence 3. We have been friends for many years. We have been friends for many years. We have been friends for many years. Sentence. For they have been working hard today. They have been working hard. Today they have been working hard today. Sentence 5. I have been waiting for your call. I have been waiting for your call. I have been waiting for your call. Mini dialogue to practice. Have you ever been to New York? Yes, I have been there once. Really? How long have you been learning English? I've been learning for about 3 years. Amazing job. Now you've learned the differences between be, being, and been step by step with clear examples. Shadowing practice and dialogues. In the conclusion, we're going to review everything together and add a motivational closing message with a call to action for the channel. Quick recap of what you learned. 1. BOUs to describe identity. Condition or state. Examples. I am happy. She is a teacher. Shadowing helped you practice speaking naturally with am, is, are. Be-ing-go used for actions in progress. Is being or behavior you are being rude. Closing parenthesis. Examples, he is being helpful today. The house is being cleaned. You learned how. Being shows temporary actions or attitudes. 3. Be-no, the past participle. Used with have/has. For experiences. I have been to Paris. For ongoing actions. I have been studying English for 2 years. Let's bring them together in one review sentence each. B. I am a student of English. I am a student of English. I am a student of English. Being, she is being very kind today. She is being very kind today. She is being very kind today. Been. We have been friends for many years. We have been friends for many years. We have been friends for many years. Final mini dialogue. You being serious right now? Yes, I am. I have been studying all week. Wow, that's great. You must be really motivated. Yes, I am. English is becoming easier for me. Motivational closing. You did it. You practiced for a full lesson with be, being, and been. Remember, shadowing is about daily repetition. Even 5 to 10 minutes every day can change your fluency. Progress is better than perfection. Every sentence you repeat makes your English stronger, your pronunciation clearer, and your confidence bigger. If this lesson helped you, like this video, subscribe to the channel. Comment below, which part was the most helpful for you today, being or been? Your voice matters. Your practice matters. And together, we are building your fluency step by step. Keep practicing, keep believing, and I'll see you in the next episode here on Speak Easy English.